Well, two teenage brothers have died after a boat crash on Lake Cumberland. Reports say the crash happened between a jet ski and a boat on Friday. The Pulaski County coroner says a 14-year-old and an 18-year-old both died in the crash that occurred south of the Woodson Bend boat ramp in a part of the lake only accessed through a gated community. The brothers, who lived in Villa Hills in Kenton County, were riding the jet ski when the crash occurred. Kentucky Fish and Wildlife officers say this is one of the worst accidents they've ever seen.
Most importantly, wear your life jacket. You may get injured, but we can come and get you. If you get struck in the head and knocks you out, you're going to wind up at the bottom of the lake, and it's going to be another bad day.
Victims' names have not yet been released.